So, friends, have you ever really thought about this? The moon sometimes looks perfectly round, like a full plate, and sometimes it looks like half a heart. But the moon itself never actually changes its shape. What changes is only the bright part that we are able to see. Now, let's understand this carefully, like a story. The moon does not produce its own light. It has no fire like the sun and no bulb-like lamp of its own. The glow we see at night is actually sunlight that hits the surface of the moon and reflects into our eyes. Now, imagine this clearly. The Earth is in the middle, the sun is on one side, and the moon is constantly moving around the Earth. The moon always receives sunlight on one half of its surface, but that bright half is not always facing us. When the moon comes between the sun and the Earth, the illuminated side faces away from us. That night, we cannot see the moon at all. This phase is called the new moon. As the moon continues moving along its orbit, a small bright portion slowly becomes visible to us. We see a thin crescent, like a gentle smile in the sky. A few days later, when the moon reaches the side of the Earth, half of its bright surface faces us. That's why we see a half moon. As the moon keeps moving forward, the bright part grows larger every night. Then one day, the entire illuminated side faces the Earth. This is the full moon, when the moon looks completely round and shining. After that, the moon moves ahead again, and the bright portions start shrinking. First, it decreases slightly, then becomes half again, and finally disappears completely. And once again, we return to the new moon. This entire cycle takes about 29 to 30 days to complete. So, friends, the moon does not break, join, or become half. It's simply a beautiful result of sunlight, the moon's motion, and our viewing angle from Earth. That's why the moon sometimes looks like half a heart, sometimes fully round, and sometimes completely invisible.